What's the meaning of bonfire? Bonfire. Bonfire.
Bonfire. Bonfire. A bonfire refers to an outdoor fire, usually built in a large pit or on the ground, that is used for recreational or ceremonial purposes. The fire is often associated with social gatherings, such as parties or camping trips, and is typically fueled by wood or other combustible materials. The result of a bonfire is the creation of a warm, inviting atmosphere that encourages people to gather around and interact with each other. It can also provide heat and light, making it useful for outdoor activities like cooking or storytelling. However, it is important to practice safety measures when building and maintaining a bonfire to prevent accidents and reduce environmental impact.